you. What do you want, A? I've noticed there's like a lot of things on the floor right now, and I was wondering if you can clean your room. Even your little cat right here says you need to clean your room right now, so yeah. Well, first of all, it's not actually messy, it's a organized mess. I know where things are, like, look at this cat. She came up to me because she knows she loves me, and you're just jealous. What do you mean it's not messy? Because there's literally strings and like random shit on the floor right now. Like there's an Amazon packaging. Like even your cat is like trying to avoid the ground right now. As you can see, she doesn't want to touch the floor because of how gross it is. Why are you even here in the first place? Can you just like go back into your closet so I can figure this thing out on my own? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, fine. I'll go back in my closet. You'll have fun with that. Yeah, bye.
Maybe A is right about this. Maybe my room is messy. I mean, my cat is literally on my table right now. And maybe that's not really good for me or her. Yeah, I definitely do not want her to be on my table, especially when I'm on computer. I'll just actually just clean up for my cat. So the first thing we're gonna do is tie her hair up, and I'm just gonna tie my hair up in a little bun with magic. And this is what it looks like. I personally find it really cute. What do you guys think? The next thing I do is just open Spotify and find a playlist that I want to clean my room to. For this example, I use Lone Nights, and it's my own playlist that I made on Spotify. And I personally love this playlist, so yeah. The last thing I had to do is just kick my cat out of the room. And yes, she is a paid actor. She gets paid really well, so yeah. So the first thing I really do is just organize my area by the type of things are supposed to go together. For example, I put all my plushies in one area and all my towels in another. And I also have all my craft stuff organized onto that tray. And I put all my cat toys away and all that stuff. And so you just basically organize things that go together first so that it's a lot more cleaner, so that when you actually start like putting them back, it's a lot easier. I'm now going to put all my stuffed animals into my stuffed animal bin. I don't really display them, only some of them, but most of them just go in a bin. The next thing I'm going to do is just take a bunch of zip ties and zip tie all my cables and wires that I don't really use all that often. So here I am just zip tying some of them. And obviously if you want to use reusable zip ties, you can, but I found these zip ties from Walmart and they were like really cheap, and obviously I want to save money, so yeah. And so I'm just zip tying everything that I don't really use that much. I have this little fan that's supposed to be on my desk, but there's no space for it, so yeah. And so you just basically do that for everything you need to do, and that should be good for zip tying stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to put all the things inside the respective drawers. So I put all the technology stuff inside my big drawer and everything else on the side. And now here I am just reorganizing my craft area. I really need to get a crafting table, but yeah, I'm just putting everything on the tray. And now I'm just picking up all these things that was right next to my zip tie area and putting them where they're supposed to be as well. So most of them were just glue and stuff and other technology and miscellaneous things. So now I'm going to put everything else inside this little cube in my closet. I just got it from Walmart, so yeah. So now I'm going to organize my bags, and I'm just hanging my bags on this over door hanger. I got it from Ross. And now I'm going to take my computer bag, which is this thingy, and I'm just going to put it inside my closet, so yeah. And here I am doing it, obviously. If you like this so far, just give it a like, yeah. And now I'm just gonna stuff all my random like fabric-y things, like basically like I don't freaking know what this is, but you hang it over your bed. And then my green screen thing, which I don't actually have a green screen stand for, so I just drape it randomly. And I'm just rolling that up because I'm too lazy to actually fold it. And then I'm actually gonna fold my towel, I guess. I don't know why I did that. I'm so sorry. But anyway, so I'm just gonna put everything else that I found on the ground onto my little basket, and it's time to vacuum. Also, my cat somehow got into my room, so kind of ignore that for a while because cats don't like vacuums. But I don't know why she wanted to go in when I vacuumed. I don't know why she did that. You can ask her if she wants like to answer, but I don't think she will because she's a cat. I don't think cats answer to human questions, so yeah. And so I'm just cleaning everything with the vacuum and also scaring my cat at the same time. Haha, I am such a good pet owner. Also, if you see a mess in the background, it goes away in the end. I'm so sorry. And as you can see, I'm just reorganizing my pile of trash. I'm poking all of those little like air bubble thingies that comes in packages now, which I kind of hate. Like, there's no reason why they have all that when they can just use paper, and paper is like recyclable and actually recyclable, not like plastic, which is like fake recyclable. But anyway, so here I am just poking everything. I'm having trouble sometimes because the freaking like knife thingy, my exact knife, I guess, it keeps like the knife part keeps falling off for some reason. I don't know why, but anyways, so I'm like kind of like deboxing, like, you know, like when you take apart a box, deassembling a box, I guess. I'm just basically like flattening all the boxes so they can actually fit nicely and not have like a bunch of wasted airspace. Yeah, and then I put them inside like different bags, I guess. Well, I put this in a paper bag. There's other bags. I'm not sure if you can see, but one of the boxes is just full of like papers. And I bring the ones that are papers down to recycle, but the ones that are just plastic I take to like throw away because you can't fucking recycle plastic. Yeah. Anyway, so as you can see, I'm just like like I said, I don't freaking know what to say, but like I just break apart the boxes. And here is the final result. I've been rambling for so long. I'm so sorry. As you can see, my cat is in the room again. She's just drinking water, eating food. I'm not really sure. And yeah, I put this like filter on to make it like extra kawaii, but I feel like it just makes your eyes go blind. But all the YouTubers back in like 2014 did this, and I felt like this video really reminiscent of that, so I did it too. And look at my beautiful paintings. Not just kidding. Some of them are not mine. Only like the middle ones are. Of course, the skeleton is Da Vinci or Leonardo DiCaprio. I don't fucking know. I'm just joking. I'm just fooling around. And look, it's me! And yeah, as you can see, all my stuff is quote-unquote organized, I guess. There's a lot of room on the floor for me to walk on and for my cats to lick her butt on, as you can see. And yeah, look at my door. Okay, goodbye.